As PC components are getting more and more powerful, you need to ensure effective cooling to maintain durability. In this case, PC case fans work amazing as they're quite affordable and are one of the best methods of air cooling. In this video, we have rounded up the top 5 best PC fans that you should check out.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Starting at number 5, we have the P12 Silent from Arctic, a super affordable PC case fan that operates silently. Suitable for heat sinks and radiators, this minimally designed fan can rotate at a maximum speed of 1050 RPM, all thanks to its high-quality bearings. Moreover, it has been optimized for efficient cooling as it can produce as high as 24.1 CFM of airflow to keep your heated components cool. Even at maximum speed, this fan can keep the noise level down to as low as 38 decibels, allowing you to enjoy a tranquil gaming atmosphere. With a typical voltage of 12 volts, it does not pull up that much power from your motherboard while keeping the performance uncompromised. At this price point, the Arctic P12 Silent is one of the best PC case fans that you can get your hands on. Next up at number 4, we have the Purewings 2 from Be Quiet, a super silent PC case fan that brilliantly maintains the performance of your gaming rig. To give you a perspective about a super quiet operation, it keeps the noise level as low as 19.2 weighted decibels even when rotating at a maximum speed of 1500 RPM. Besides, the airflow level is also admirable as you will get about 51.4 CFM from this thing to keep you rest assured about keeping your components cool. The 120mm fan itself looks subtle and offers PWM controls, all thanks to its 4-pin connectivity, while the IC motor controller further slashed down the electrical noises. We also want to talk about this fan's rubberized frame that showcases a funnel-shaped design and will go along with most PC cases hassle-free. If you're a gamer who likes to preserve the peace of your gaming atmosphere, then we highly recommend the Be Quiet Purewings 2 for you. At number 3, we have the L120 RGB by Corsair, an ARGB case fan that delivers excellent airflow, quiet operation, and powerful lighting effects. The 120mm ARGB fans are engineered for low noise operation without sacrificing performance and will enable you to play games with greater focus. Moreover, you can adjust the rotation speed between 600 to 1500 RPM to balance noise and airflow. It features dual light loops with 16 vibrant RGBs on both the perimeter and the hub to help you create a dynamic lighting environment. And with the Corsair IQ software and the included Lighting Node Pro, these ARGB fans are capable of offering you insane amounts of lighting effects to sync well with the rest of your Corsair peripherals. If you prefer customizing your gaming peripherals precisely, then you'll find the Corsair L120 RGB fans a perfect fit for you. Coming up at number 2, we have the Phanteks D30, a performance-intensive PC case fan with a premium build quality. You heard that right, this fan is made of reinforced liquid crystal polymer that enables it to have a rigid and extremely durable build quality. On top of that, the 0.5mm design gap ensures stable airflow inside of your case. The blades are comparably 25% larger than standard fans, which further increases cooling. The dual VAP bearing, together with 3-phase motor and magnetic plate, ensures amazing durability for years to come. While at maximum speed, you can expect up to 101 CFM of airflow from this fan. Talking about speed, it has a total of 3 PWM profiles where you can get up to 1200 RPM in hybrid mode, 2000 in performance, and 3000 in advanced mode. If performance is what you're craving for, then we highly recommend the Phanteks D30 fans for you. And finally at number 1, we have the NF1225 PWM from Noctua, a premium PC case fan with a unique color scheme and outstanding overall performance. Noctua has put greater focus on aerodynamics as they're made of metal reinforced motor hubs and have advanced acoustic optimization, which is the reason behind its ultimate performance and quieter operation. The flow acceleration channels, together with ultra tight tip clearance, results in amazing cooling performance. Talking about performance, it can spin at up to 2000 RPM with a substantial airflow level of 60 CFM and a low noise operation of only 18.8 dBA, which makes it a performance all-rounder. What's more, it comes with an anti-vibration gasket that will come in handy when pairing this fan up with water cooling radiators. To sum things up, the Noctua NF1225 PWM is simply a superb PC case fan with uncompromised cooling performance, admirable airflow, and practical design language, which might overall be the best option for you. So, that was all about the top 5 best PC fans. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.